Welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics, question number 21, WASSCE 2024 NOV-DEC edition. In the diagram, KP, as the length of KP is 8 centimeter, the length of NP is 2 centimeter, and that of KM is 10 centimeter. We are to calculate the area of the triangle MKN. This very triangle here. Now we know the normal traditional area of a triangle is what? Half the base times what? The height. So the height is always perpendicular to the base. So if we take the triangle we are asked to find, the base is going to be MN. And what will be the height? The height is just a point from the apex to the base. So you can see if you ignore all this, from K to P is in line with the MN, so that could also be the height of that triangle. So I know the height as 8. I only need this area, then the area is found. Now we know that MP is going to be part of the bigger right angle triangle, which is what? MPK. Using the right angle here, we can be able to use the Pythagoras theorem. So I'll only say that from the triangle MPK, using Pythagoras theorem, the longest side is going to be 10. So 10 centimeters squared equals to this, which will be 8 centimeters squared plus from M to P, that is MP all squared. But I guess we are looking for MP. So we subtract 8 squared from both sides, making 100 minus 64 equals to MP all squared. That is the length of that. In the case of this is 36. So I'll be having 36 equals to the MP all squared. So if you find the square root of both sides, it means that the length of MP will now become the root of 36, which will give us what? 6 centimeters. You can see from here, M to P, 6 centimeters. But I'm looking for MN. So I'll only say that the length of MN is equals to the length of MP minus the length of what? NP. So the whole of this is 6. The N and P is 2. So that gives rise to 4 centimeters. So our base here is going to be 4 centimeters. So therefore, area of triangle, what are we looking for? MKN is going to be half times the base times what? The height. And the base is going to be MN, which is 4 centimeters. The height is going to be 8 centimeters. Let me just use the 4 and the 8 and add a centimeter to the final answer. So half of this is 2. 2 times 8. That will give us 16 centimeters squared. So what are we looking for? That is going to be this. Or we can also take this as a bigger triangle. We are looking for the shaded part. So if you look at the bigger triangle, and the bigger triangle is going to be the base of this times the height. And the base we found to be 6, meaning half of 6 times the height. This is going to be half of this. That will give us what? 3, right? Times 8, so I'll have 24. That is for the bigger triangle. How about the unshaded part? The unshaded part is going to be half of the base, which is 2, times the height. So half of 2 is 1, so I have 8 centimeters squared. So you can see the shaded part will become 24 minus what? 8. And if you pick away 4 here, pick away 4, you will left with 4. 16 centimeter square. So either you find the area of the bigger one minus the unshaded part to give you the shaded part, or you just find the length of this directly and you'll be good to go. I guess that is clear. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.